my people, Nigeria trouble no dey finish o. Wàhálà Nigeria ò kì í tán rárá. Ṣé gbogbo ara rántí pé bàbá Oyedepo wọ́n fáyà àwọn Fulani pé lè máa control wa kẹlẹ́yìn ilẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà kẹ máa ṣe bó ṣe wù yín. Kò sí àyè fún gbogbo yẹn because àwọn forefathers wa wọn ò ralẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Fulani. Nigeria is Nigeria. Nigeria doesn't belong to Fulani, and Fulani cannot be controlling us. So Baba Oyedepo fire back at all these Fulanis, and this Fulani boy had to fire back at Baba Oyedepo like, look, you can't say all what you're saying. At the end of the day, this lady too fire back. This is backfire to fire. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this CrossBLOGXTV. You too be dropping your own opinion, whatever you feel about this message to Baba Oyedepo.
Listen, the Fulanis do not own Nigeria. My great forefathers were not Fulanis. I didn't buy the land from Fulanis. This is not a Fulani land. Call a spade a spade. You're wasting your life by taking your land. Don't think you are dealing with fools. What have they added as value to this country? Where do they get the weapons from? When God fights a man, the man is finished. Yes. God is rising to the fight. They were calling for 100 million for those abducted from a village church. You go and take over people's farm and want them not to come to your farm? How dare you? What devil? What horror? I'm not ashamed to let you know I'm sent as a prophet. And all I've said about this nation since the time he started sending me has come to pass. Nigeria will never become an Islamic state. Nigeria does not belong to the Fulanis. So I'm never a Fulani and I will never be a Fulani. My forefathers never bought land from them. So they give them their land. Fulani herdsmen, if you hear English, hear me now. If you don't release those in your captivity right now, you are gone down to the grave. It's done. Thank you, Jesus.
Wait, if you are not receiving money, if your members no to the full for church, you know they get offerings and tithe, I beg, your aggression and anger no come put on top Fulani head. I beg, sir, with due respect. All these forceful allegations where you dey talk, you as a prophet, you are a prophet and you can't still dey lie. Are you not ashamed of yourself? With your years, with your level of being alive, relating with people, but up till now, you never still get sense. How would you stereotype a whole ethnic group, a whole Fulani tribe, that they are terrorists? Mr. Man, have you forgotten those who started this kidnapping of 18? Have you forgotten the tribe, the people, their region, where they come from? Who told them, who accused them, or who accused their tribe of napping people?
Okay, Damusa, I'm sure you don't know this man. His name is Pastor David Oyedepo, okay? And he is not a random pastor. He is not a hungry pastor, okay? This pastor today, if he decides to close his church and not become a pastor again, God has blessed him so much so that even Fulani, the entire Fulani wealth combined worldwide, his money will still be more than our money. That is how much money he has. And secondly, his money and influence that God has given him, he has added more value in the country single-handedly than the entire Fulani's elite since 1800s up until now. The value and impact that this man had since the time he started his ministry, no Fulani has ever, all Fulani combined in the entire nation have never achieved that. Maybe yet. That's it, by the way. And secondly, what this man is saying, is it false? Fulani started jihad in the 1800s, okay? And then in 1900s, colonialism disrupted their conquest. Higher powers came and subdued them and used the structure that they have built for their conquest for their own advantage. Now colonialism has ended. They have resumed their conquest agenda, Islamization of the country agenda. It's so sad that TikTok is not enabling us to post certain content here, because TikTok was originally designed for kids. You need to see what my own people, every day I wake up, I'm heartbroken. Non-Fulanis are not the problem here. They are not the ones tarnishing our image. It is our own people. Demons from hell that call themselves jihadists in the country. Who is going to people's farms, destroying farmers' crops, feeding their cows with farmers' hard work, going to communities, destroying everything, burning down everything? Who is it? It's Fulanis. And this man is not even saying all Fulanis. He's simply just saying Fulanis because he doesn't know the people. He doesn't know the people who are perpetuating this by name, but he knows them by tribe, and he's calling on them by their tribe. See, as a Fulani person, if you don't want this to persist, stigmatization of the tribe to persist, you better work on our people who are destroying the country. That is the only way that we can all have peace. If not, all this your defensive, flimsy arguments is not Fulani. You are generalizing Fulani. You are stigmatizing and tell you the craze. You are not well, because if you have sense, you will know that our people, what they are doing is why our reputation is being tarnished. Okay, bye.